Hello everyone. Today we're going to read Go Away Dog. And this story by John L. Nodset. Pictures by Pyle Mizzle. Okay, let's go read it. Go away, dog. Go away, you bad old dog. Go away from me. Now, let's see. I don't like you, dog. I don't like dogs at all. Big dogs, little dogs, any dogs at all. Do you want that stick? Don't give it to me. If I throw the stick, will you go away? There now. Go away, you, with your stick. What do you want now? If I throw it again, will you go away? Don't jump on me, dog. I don't like that. Go away, you old dog. Go home now. Don't you have a home? Well, that's too bad. But I cannot come home with me. Don't wag your tail at me. You are not bad for a dog, but I don't like dogs. Say, do that again, roll over again. Dogs, say, that's not bad. Cue shake hands. This is how to shake hands. Don't lick my hand. Stop that, you old dog. If I play with you, will you go away? All right, let's run, dog. Can you run as fast as I can? You can run fast, all right? That was fun, dog. Maybe you can play again, but I have to go home now. No, I can. You cannot come. Go away now, dog. Don't look so sad, dog. Don't lick my hand. I can't help it. If you don't have a home, why don't you go away? You like me, don't you, you old dog? Well, I like you too. All right, I give up. Come on home, dog. Let's run. The end. For Go Away Dog. For this book, this is the end of the book. So, bye.